Naman, sir, I am Mylina Bajis, 45 years old. I am a single mom with 2 kids. I am a high school graduate from Philippines. I have experience in Saudi Arabia from September 29, 2012 to November 20, 2015. And my next experience is an on-call cleaner from February 14, 2020 to February 14, 2024. And my duty and responsibility are cleaning the bathroom, mopping, dusting, and vacuum, and collect the garbage. And I can do household duty like ironing, cooking, washing the clothes, cleaning the house, and also I'm willing to taking care of the baby. And I am a flexible, hardworking, trustworthy, and long patient. I hope you can choose me as a nanny or housemaid. That's all. Thank you.